Hi, my name is Rochelle Schrader, and I'm from the Davenport School District. I'm the K-12 Vocal Innovator. I'm doing First Reflection, and a Think Aloud screencast video. Record a Think Aloud as you consider what have you done within the course to this point. So far in the course, I've learned about different ways that we can do online teaching and have kind of thought about what I've done throughout my district so far. Different options that we have, different online structures that we have, and how to create content. My next steps are I'm starting this course after the school year is already ended. So my next steps are really kind of thinking about how to get ready for next year, and get ready for preparing teachers to be ready to do online learning, in-person learning, or a combination of both. Questions for you. I guess my questions still kind of revolve around that, since I was not actually the one posting on a Google Classroom, whether I should be learning how to do that to be able to assist teachers. Last year, we kind of had a mega site for our teachers for elementary and middle school and high school. They each had mega sites. And I know that next year their expectations are going to be going forward, and each of them having to have their own Google Classrooms. So I might need some assistance in kind of figuring out how to set those up, and that would be something that you might be able to help me with. Let me take you to the space where my classes were so far. I was considered a co-teacher on these sites. So we had a kindergarten music room, first grade classroom, second, third, fourth, fifth, and then we had intermediate. We had a general music classroom, and the general music classroom is actually right here, and we also had the choir one, and then down below we had the high school one. This one was a dumping ground that they just kind of puts their resources in ahead of time, and then they could just pull them out as they wanted to use them. So that was kind of where we lived for the last couple months, trying to prepare for that. We had teams of teachers that were working on each of these. So I have 3 elementary CTTs that work together for the K-5 Google Classrooms, and we had split into the teams. We had one group that worked on kindergarten and first grade, another group that worked on second and third grade, and another group that worked on fourth and fifth grade. Our middle school was one CTT, and they were dealing with both the intermediate choir instruction and the general music instruction. And then we had one high school team with, I guess it would be 7 teachers that worked on the high school section. So that's kind of where we've been working so far. I would like to learn a little bit more about Google Classroom and learning about setting them up, just because I know that I'm going to have some brand new teachers in my district next year, and I want to feel more knowledgeable about helping prepare teachers if they have questions. So that's where I am right now. I hope this is what you were looking for. If not, please let me know, and I'd be happy to make a new video and add some more information to it. Thank you for your time.